The picture is perfect, everything looks right, but the room is completely silent and nothing you press seems to bring the sound back. This happens more than you would think, and the cause is almost never a broken speaker. Here's what is actually going on and how to get your audio back in minutes. Number 6. It is muted or the volume is all the way down. Before anything else, this is worth confirming, because it catches people more often than anyone likes to admit. A single accidental button press can mute the entire TV or drop the volume to 0, and the TV gives no obvious visual indicator that this happened. Press the mute button on your remote once to toggle it off. Then press volume up several times and watch for the on-screen volume bar to appear and move. If the bar rises but you still hear nothing, mute was not the issue, and the next steps apply. Also check whether the volume bar even appears when you press the button. If it does not show up at all, the remote may not be communicating with the TV. Point your remote directly at the TV from close range and try again before moving on. Number 5. The audio output is pointed at the wrong place. LG Smart TVs can send audio to different destinations: the built-in speakers, an external soundbar through HDMI ARC, a Bluetooth speaker, or an optical audio connection. If that output setting was switched at any point, the TV is sending all its audio to a device that is either off, disconnected, or not in the room. Go to Settings, then Sound Out. Look at what is currently selected. If it shows anything other than TV speaker, such as Bluetooth device, optical, or HDMI ARC, and you do not have an external speaker actively connected and powered on, switch it to TV speaker. This is one of the most common causes of sudden audio loss on LG TVs. A soundbar or Bluetooth device that was connected once and then disconnected or turned off leaves the audio routing pointing at nothing, and the TV plays in silence as a result. Number 4. A Bluetooth device is still holding the audio. If you have ever paired a Bluetooth speaker or wireless headphones to this TV, the TV may still be attempting to send all audio through that device, even when it is off, out of range, or in another room entirely. Go to Settings, then Sound Out, and look for any Bluetooth device shown as connected or active. Disconnect it manually from this menu. Once the Bluetooth connection is released, the TV will automatically reroute audio back to the internal speakers. This is a surprisingly common cause of silent LG TVs. The TV is working perfectly. It is just sending the sound somewhere the owner cannot hear it. Disconnecting the Bluetooth device takes about 10 seconds and often brings the audio back instantly. Number 3. The audio settings have a conflict. LG TVs process audio through several settings that can conflict with each other if they were adjusted without realizing how they interact. One of the most common conflicts is the digital sound out setting. When digital sound out is set to auto or a specific format like Dolby Atmos, the TV may receive audio data in a format it cannot decode or pass through correctly, resulting in complete silence even though the source content has audio. Go to Settings, then Sound, then Additional Settings, then Digital Sound Out. Change the setting from auto or Dolby Atmos to PCM. PCM is the simplest, most universally compatible audio format. Switching to it immediately eliminates any decoding conflict and restores audio in most cases. Number 2. An AV reset will clear the problem. If the settings all look correct but there is still no sound, the audio system inside the TV may have gotten stuck in a bad state. Not a hardware failure, just a software glitch that has locked the audio processing in silence. LG builds a specific fix for this directly into the TV. Go to Settings, then Support, then Additional Settings, and find AV Reset. Select it and confirm. This resets the audio and video settings back to their factory defaults without touching your apps, accounts, or network settings. After the reset, the TV will restart its audio processing fresh. This resolves a wide range of audio issues that persist even when all the visible settings look correct, because it clears corrupted audio configuration data that normal setting changes cannot reach. Number 1. Update the firmware. LG builds a sound self-diagnosis tool directly into the TV. Go to Settings, then Support, then Sound Self-Diagnosis. The TV will play a test tone through the internal speakers. If you hear the tone during the test but not during normal viewing, the issue is with your input source or the connected device, not the TV speakers themselves. If you hear nothing during the diagnostic test either, the issue is inside the TV. Before assuming hardware failure, check for a software update. Go to Settings, then Support, then Software Update, and install anything available. LG releases firmware updates that fix known audio bugs, and a TV running old software can go completely silent due to a known issue that has already been patched. Many people install an update and find the audio returns immediately without any other changes. If audio is still absent after a full update and AV reset, the internal speakers or the audio board may require professional service. If this helped you, subscribe. We post fixes like this every week so you never have to sit through silence again.